Crete is home to the largest number of gorges in Greece. For years, hiking has been a tourist attraction in Crete. The most famous is the walk through the Mili Gorge, but as we were late in the tourist season and weather conditions were quite variable, it was not accessible at that time. We therefore opted for a lesser-known but equally beautiful hike through the Mili Gorge. This gorge is located about 7 kilometers from Rethymno and it is open all year round. We set off from Rethymno town itself and made it into a circular walk of about 13 kilometers. Our route is a circular walk that you can do either clockwise or anti-clockwise. In the link in the description, you can download the GPX file we followed. The first few kilometers are not that spectacular in themselves, but they take you along the coast and some gravel roads to Rio. This is the official start of the gorge hike, which is about 5 kilometers from bottom to top. The Mili Gorge is fairly easy to hike, but the vegetation in the gorge is truly amazing. The whole area looks like a jungle with so many plants surrounding it, and even a running stream is not missing. The trail is a beautiful old mule track with a lot of history. Besides the beautiful nature, you will encounter old abandoned houses and old watermills everywhere along the way. This is also where the gorge gets its name from. There are even some small churches to admire. I suggest you enjoy this beautiful piece of nature in peace without my annoying comments. Keep following the path high above the river until you come to another small church with a cemetery. From this point, you get a great view of the sea and can see through the entire gorge. Leave the church, continue the walk and arrive at a tavern in another abandoned village. It is especially interesting to see how this tavern manages to get its supplies, using a rickety cable lift, which spans the gorge and pulls the goods towards the tavern. The gorge then ends at the level of Rethymno, from where you can hike back towards Rethymno. We did this walk twice. The first time clockwise, the second time counterclockwise. Although it is the same walk, everything looks completely different because you look at it from a different point of view. The attentive viewer will have noticed that our attire has sometimes suddenly changed during the walk. But of course, we want to show you the best images. Personally, we found the counterclockwise walk even more beautiful, and it also gives you the chance to stop at Cantina Banana at the end of the gorge. We enjoyed a delicious lunch there in a beautiful setting. Highly recommended if you pass there. So that was it again for today. Tomorrow we will continue exploring by car to get to know this beautiful island even better. Thanks for watching and hopefully until tomorrow.